We're going to begin with some basic warm-up stretches and exercises. First one is wrist shaking, and this one involves just loosening up the wrist to prepare ourselves for different wrist techniques, wrist locking, grabbing, and punching. In this posture, we're going to keep the wrist, arms, shoulders relaxed, and just focus on the task at hand, and getting the mind prepared, and just shaking the wrist back and forth. Next stretching exercise is the arm shaking, and this is to help increase circulation and chi, blood flow to the arms and fingertips, and just gently, nice and relaxed, shake the arms up and down, up and down. The arms are moving in a forward and backward continuous motion, nice and relaxed. Then you move continuously into a shoulder rotation, moving the arms backwards. This is to loosen the shoulders in preparation for punching, blocking, and striking. Alternating direction, moving the arms forward. Arms are crossing, moving the shoulders, nice and relaxed. Waist stretching to the left, waist stretching to the right. The waist movements are a very important part of martial arts. We want to stretch this out so as to involve improved flexibility in our movements, so not to injure our back. Next waist stretch is more of on a horizontal plane, moving to the left and using the elbows as a guide, and then stretching to the right using the elbow as a guide. If you notice on Sifu Lee Kam Wing's uniform, there is a patch. There is the Qingwu patch. As you know, the Qingwu Athletic Association in Hong Kong is one of the major centers of martial arts promotion, martial arts centers and training facilities in Hong Kong, and is a source of spreading the martial arts throughout the world. Sifu Lee Kam Wing serves as the vice president of the Qingwu Athletic Association in Hong Kong. Next exercise here is the hip stretch. We want to rotate the hips in an inward, then outward fashion, alternating between the left and right leg. Again, keeping hips nice and relaxed. Next stretch is the ankle stretch, and placing the toe on the ground, rotating clockwise. then changing to the left foot, rotating clockwise. You want to move in this nice circular fashion so as to loosen up the ankle and also the knee joints. In this stretch, we want to place the hands on the knees, gently rotating to the right and then to the left, clockwise and then counterclockwise. This is a side stretch, stretching to the right so as to stretch out the groin muscles. You should feel a nice gentle pull in the groin area. Alternate to the left. Also stretching out your quadricep muscles, your thigh muscles, gently pulling on the ankles and pulling back so that you feel that stretch in the anterior part of your thigh.